In this video, we'll explore what happens if your Mexican permanent residency, also known as PR, becomes at risk because your family member decides to renounce their Mexican citizenship. This is an important topic for anyone who has gained PR through family reunification. Let's go through the agenda for today's video. We'll start by discussing the impact of a family member's citizenship renunciation on your permanent residency. Then we will look at the distinction between family members born in Mexico and those naturalized. Following that, we'll cover actionable advice, possible outcomes, and wrap up with an important disclaimer. Let's dive in. The status of your PR is heavily dependent on the family member who sponsored it. If they renounce their Mexican citizenship, your residency might be affected. It's important to understand that the specs of this impact can be influenced by the legal principle under which you were granted PR, as well as current Mexican immigration laws. Here is a quiz question for you. What could potentially happen to your permanent residency if the sponsoring family member renounces their citizenship? A. Remain unaffected. B. Jeopardized depending on legal basis. Or C. Automatically revoked. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. If you guessed that your PR could be jeopardized depending on the legal basis, you're correct. The risk level can vary based on how you obtained your residency and what the current laws decree. One key detail to consider is whether your sponsoring family member is a birthright citizen or a naturalized citizen. Birthright citizens and naturalized citizens have different rights and obligations, which could influence your PR's security. The impact on your situation can hinge on these distinctions under Mexican law. The most crucial step is to consult a Mexican immigration lawyer or legal expert. They can provide advice specific to your situation and help you understand your rights. Always keep up to date with the latest Mexican immigration laws, as these can frequently change, affecting your options. Several outcomes are possible here. You might be allowed to keep your PR, or you could be required to reapply under a new category. Legal advice will be pivotal in understanding the full range of your options and upcoming procedures. To summarize, a family member's renunciation of their Mexican citizenship can impact your PR status. It's vital to understand the differences in legal rights between birthright and naturalized citizens. Always consult a legal expert to comprehend your options fully. Multiple potential outcomes depend on your specific situation and legal advice. This video is intended solely for educational purposes. Immigration laws are complex and can change. We highly advise consulting a qualified professional for advice tailored to your specific situation. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found the information useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We would love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.